Okay, I'm going to clean this brush. It has real black natural lacquer in it, and instead of using any kind of solvent, I will just use oil. This is cooking vegetable oil, and I don't know what kind, but something like canola or something like that. So you dip it in to the jar, and you start as close as you can to this back and push the lacquer out, and then kind of slightly dab the oil. When you put the bristles in to the oil, don't touch the bottom. If you do, it'll leave lacquer. And also, you move your finger. I'm not going to push my finger down, but you don't pull the brush. If you pull the brush, you can pull this out of the brush. These are handmade brushes. They're expensive, so it's better to take good care of them. This one cleaned up quickly. Sometimes it takes 5, 6, 10 minutes to clean them. So okay. So here it is. Let's see, I can make it okay. Try it one more time. So there's no more color, so it's done. The next thing you do is you should keep them wrapped in something, and I use this kind of plastic wrap, mainly so the oil doesn't dry out. So if you use the oil, the lacquer itself won't harden if it's coated in oil. And so if you didn't get all your lacquer out, then it won't harden. Because once the bristles are hardened by lacquer, there's no going back. So that's the way to clean the brush using vegetable oil.